Voila! How's this? How's that, hey? Let's see how's that. Alright. Let's do it. Now, if anything, that needs to be a little bit down, I would say, or maybe not. Well, that was pushing. That was like 1 mil. That's not even that warm. It is warm, but not that warm. And if anything, that would need to come a little bit up. A little bit up. Let's try that. Let's try to bring that up a touch and see how it's gonna perform then. Something like that. Is that thing still holding? Yeah, that tip looks good to me. But mind you, let me grab the mirror on the wall. Hang on, bear with me. It's always like that. When you're looking for one, you can never find one. It seems to me that that tip is a little bit damaged, little bit. Let me change another side. Let me see close up. Yeah, it has a tiny little. Can you see that? Can you see that? A tiny little speck of damage. Well, let's try this end. So obviously it's not perfect, but hey, couple $100 is still in the pocket, and new day is done. One more Saturday is over. So look at that finish. Jesus Christ, that's like a professionale. All right, let's try this now. This is tight, this is tight, this is tight. That goes there. Okay, you stay there, don't move around, okay? Let's try from the middle. Oh! Oh! Oh my God! And that is right on the guts as well. Let us see how it works this way. Tell you something, in my opinion, that is good. That is good. Again, I don't know what sort of a material this is. And oh, actually, this is a part of the hydraulic inner part of the hydraulic pump. Look at the chips that it makes. It doesn't break the chip, so I'll say this is a semi-win. Semi-win looks alright to me anyway, and it's much better than what it was before. Much better than what it was before. So, with saying that, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up because night has fallen, and oh, this is stuck. No, it's not. Sorry for the shake-ups of the camera. Night has fallen. I have made enough of the kerfuffle here. Almost fallen. Still a bit of a daylight. In saying that, to the one who taught me what to do and how to do, Thank you very much. And guys, I wish you all the best till the next one. Thank you for watching and thank you for keeping up with me. All the best, guys. Till the next one. Cheers.